Hey guys, this is Adrian once again. This video I'm gonna give you some value, guys. What you can do to make your business explode. This is just an idea that that I've been doing, and I've been doing it successful. So this is with the Conversion Pros, my marketing system, guys. And what I'm gonna show you guys is very interesting. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. First thing you want to do, guys, is if you can look at this page right here. This is my second page of my funnel, right? Get paid every Friday, cash. College students are making six figures a year with this cash machine. When they click there, guys, they'll go to the presentation, and I'll show you that in a minute. But what I do, guys, is if you go to nationwideadvertising.com, you can advertise in their local newspapers. And you can see all the colleges, and you see how much it costs. Uh, you'll see what it costs for a whole week. $59, $49, $69, $120. And you advertise in the college newspapers, guys. And what you see, I'm going to show you my capture page. Free to join, no credit card required to earn every Friday. See the guy right here with a lot of money, make $450 to $1250 a week. They put their name in, and they show me now. And then what happens is they'll come to this page, get paid every Friday cash, like it shows you. And when they click here, guys, they come to the presentation right here. And I made this page also, guys. Let me pause this video. Just tell you more about the company and what how much you're gonna make. Another picture of him. Some of the tools display. Show proof right here, guys. Total commission earned for the week of Friday, 1,800. The Conversion Pro testimony right here, guys. And you see I have two buttons right here, guys. Click here. And I put another button up here. Click here because it's a longer sale page. When they click here, High Fidelity, they come to the form right here. Join TCP trial member, referred by Adrian, myself. Excuse me, guys. It's snowing in Milwaukee right now, guys. So bear with me. And I got a little cold right now, sore throat. But yeah, guys, this is a bundle I made for the Conversion Pros. So guys, if you are in the Conversion Pros and you still want this funnel setup, guys, and take this type of training, just shoot a comment below, and I'll give you the share code, guys. I'm not tripping like that. But if you're not in the Conversion Pros, guys, join my team. And I'm gonna definitely give you this share codes and give you some more marketing tips how you can really do this, guys, and expand it, not just with a nationwide advertisement, but with a lot of different publications. So, guys, once again, happy weekend. Just want to give y'all some value because I know you want to make money in 2019, and I'll talk to y'all another day. Peace.